The government needs you to stay poor. Now stay with me on this a second, because I think this needs to be said. Might sound a bit harsh, but it's bloody true. The government doesn't want you to get rich. They just don't. They need you to stay stuck. They need you to keep working, saving, and hoping for change. Because if you actually build wealth, that means you don't have to rely on them anymore. You don't need the handouts. And more importantly, you stop being easy to control. And that's a bloody problem for them. Think about it. We're taught to save money, pay off your mortgage, work hard, buy a house, retire at 65, well, 67 now. Meanwhile, inflation is wiping out the value of your savings. Your mortgage gets more expensive with interest. And if you're lucky, you might just get to hold on to that house. But there'll be taxes after you die too. That's the system. And it works beautifully, just not for you. So here's what I've learned the wealthy do differently. They borrow money to buy assets. They let inflation shrink the value of their debt, their good debt. They use other people's money, and they own things that pay them cash flow, even while they sleep. And if you're wondering why this sounds a bit out of reach for some people, well, it's not really. It's not out of reach for anybody. You just haven't been shown how to do it yet. But that's changing. Because the truth is, this isn't about having money to start. It's about understanding how that game is played. The game I've just outlined to you. Right now, house prices are down. Rightmove confirmed just last week that it's the biggest drop in house prices since their records began, which is over 20 years ago. Rates are still relatively moderately high, but they are expected to fall back. Rents, they're still going up because demand is through the roof. We've still got net positive in immigration. No one's really building any houses. The government's going to miss the housing target for sure. And that just means better deals, stronger cash flow, more motivated sellers, and the chance for people like us to actually be able to negotiate. And this is when people like us make our money. We don't do it so much when the market's stable, but when there's uncertainty and when the market's a bit messy. Now, I know what you might be thinking, but what if the market crashes again? And some people will be sat there thinking that they can't get in because the time might not be right. Well, if the market crashes again, good. Just means you'll be in a stronger position than anyone else. Because the people who learn to invest now, they don't care about timing. They know how to buy below market value. They know how to add value through a refurb or planning gain. They know how to rent at a really good profit, so you get good returns. They know how to refinance and pull their money back out. And most importantly, they know how to repeat that and keep going. And this is exactly what we teach inside Property School. This platform is for real people who want to learn how to make property work step by step. And inside, you're going to get hundreds of hours of courses, masterclasses, and resources. There's a brand new Property 101 Masterclass series, perfect if you're just getting into property or as a refresher. Regular online sessions, deep dives. Our legendary challenges like No Money Down and How to Raise Money. And we're currently working on the next one. Access to our private WhatsApp communities and Facebook group. And it's all for less than 40p a day. There's no contract, you can cancel anytime. We're not trying to lock you into anything. So I want to invite you now to just go check it out. Check out property.school/go. The link is property.school/go. Let Let me show it on the screen. Here we go. property.school/go. Go check us out. And before I go, I want to leave you with this one mindset tip. Is you are the best asset. You are your own best asset. It's not the market, it's not the house, it's you. And the more you learn, the more you earn. No matter what the government does. But if you don't want to stay stuck, you have to stop waiting. You have to stop hesitating. You have to stop procrastinating. You're not too late. You're not underqualified. You're not priced out. You're just one good decision away from finally being able to move forward. So make the choice. Click that link, start learning, and let's build something that gives you back your control. And if you've got any questions, drop them in the comments, and I'll answer every single one that I can. I'll see you inside. Go to property.school/go and invest for freedom, choice, and profit.